So it's your second stint with खतरों के खिलाड़ी. What are your expectations? क्या दिमाग में thoughts चल रहा है आपके?
मैं अपना घर कैसे संभालूंगी when I'm gone? See, after becoming a mother, it is very different state of mind, and the expectations of what I will do there is absolutely woven around how my daughters will look at me when they grow up and they see mama was there and she was doing her stunts. So अब ना वो एकदम collage जो है बिल्कुल different हो गया है. So when I say that, there is a lot of decisions that I have to be mindful about. There is so much that I have to first figure out here in India, because I'll be going on an international schedule, to make sure that my daughters are absolutely fine here. Touch wood, they have Abhinav, they have my mama. उस हिसाब से चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, लेकिन माँ की चिंता रहती ही रहती है. So you'll see a different Rubina altogether. Yes, it is a second stint, but that second stint is going to be altogether different. And that was also one of the reasons that I wanted to be a part of, again, this show, because what I was 4 years ago is definitely not the same. But how it is going to pan out for me, I'm going to actually experience it on the field itself.
Wow, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ कि stunts और जो खतरे हैं वो ज्यादा डरावना लगता है कि या तो going with the fact you have to leave your twins at home, वो ज्यादा डर लगता है?
सबसे ज्यादा डर ये है that I have to leave my kids and go. उसके आगे कोई भी डर doesn't play anything, because again now I understand that, and I have immense respect for women who leave their kids, go out, live their dreams, come back home with a smile, yet being tired and yet taking care of their daughters. It is outstanding. And like for yesterday, when I got back from work, my daughters were waiting for me at 10:30 p.m., though they sleep at 9 o'clock. And when I got back, we spent 1.5 hours, and then one of my daughters chose not to sleep throughout night, and I had to be here early in the morning. So I realized that I have a reservoir of energy which I can bring on my work, take it back home, not have enough sleep, but be back again and give all the interviews with exact amount of energy that is required. So that is the strength that a mother gains. And I just want to test it for myself, how much applicable or how much more or less it is left in me, or I may surprise myself and the audience as well.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि when being a father of 2 kids, baby boy has just born on January.
Congratulations.
Thank you so
How
much.
nice.
So मतलब वो ये मेरा भी मानना है कि kids do come in our life to make our life better. ये मेरा मान. How much do you agree with?
Very true. God gives you a paramount strength when He blesses you with children, because children come with their own agendas. They are different human beings, and let's not mistake it for बच्चे यार कर लिए अब अपना जीवन आगे बढ़ाते हैं. हमारी जनरेशन के लिए ना, kids are project of our own lives. When we were kids, for our parents, we were part of their lives. But now kids are project of our lives. So you may understand that, how important it is for us to be there achieving our dreams, yet taking care of our family and taking our families, so to say, the kids along with our dreams.
Right.
It takes immense strength. It takes immense energy. तो भगवान फिर वो क्षमता उसी को देता है जिसमें वो स्ट्रेंथ ऑलरेडी इंस्टिल की हुई हो. और मैं तो ये अक्सर अब अपने पीयर्स में भी देखती हूँ, क्योंकि वो कहते हैं ना कि when you are going through a phase, you find similar kind of people, going through the same kind of strength. And now I see people, even for that matter, men, they are equally, involved in bringing their children up. So जितनी एक माँ नींद गंवा रही है, उतना ही पिता एक नींद गंवा रहा है. लेकिन उस नींद गंवाने के साथ एक जो सपना वो अपने बच्चों के लिए देखा है,
Yeah.
that he or she wants to live it, so that tomorrow when my daughters or when my son looks up and says, wow, mama did that, wow, dad did that, और उससे बड़ी प्रेरणा या उससे बड़ी प्रेज कोई हो ही नहीं
नहीं
सकती
हो
है.
सकती.
Nothing, even an award doesn't beat that.
True that. अच्छा ये कभी ऐसा हुआ? हाँ जी. अच्छा तो क्या करें मतलब?
ये तो कर ही नहीं, रिपीट तो कहाँ से कर
वो
पाओगे.
सब दिल से निकल रहा है, repeat कहाँ से होगा?
चलेगा ऊपर पीछे.
हाँ थोड़ा सा
हाँ,
विल मैनेज इट.
हाँ.
अच्छा मुझे आपसे एक सवाल बनता है अभी ना. हाँ यस यस. सो जैसे ये मैंने नोटिस किया खुद में कि जब व्हेन वी बिकम पेरेंट तो वी अंडरस्टैंड अ पेरेंट बेटर. मैंने अपने डैड को ज्यादा समझा है बिकॉज ही इज सिंगल फादर, ही हैज रेज्ड मी, सो आई हैव सीन दैट एंड आई अंडरस्टूड माय फादर मच बेटर नाउ. आपने अपने यू रियलाइज कि यार जो हमारी मम्मी डैड, शायद हम उस टाइम पे थोड़े से एम्बिशियस बोल लीजिए या
Yeah,
अपस्टार्ट
yeah.
बोल लीजिए, हम नहीं
I
समझ
was a
पाते.
complete rebel.
Hmm.
And my mother always said, जब तू एक माँ बनेगी ना, then you'll understand. I kept laughing. मैंने कहा, come on यार. I mean, I will be a cool mother. It doesn't matter to me. मैं बच्चे पैदा करके, I'm going to live my life. I will have great dreams. And today you and I, we are sitting and what we are discussing kids.
Kids.
So you understand the value of your parents more when you become a parent. And I think that's how nature wants to teach us a lesson.
True.
That nothing is beyond or above families.
आई थिंक इससे बेटर एंड नहीं हो सकता. बट रुबीना, जो कंटेस्टेंट्स आए हैं मिक्स ऑफ ओल्ड एंड न्यू,
Yes.
व्हाट डू यू थिंक? ये दर का नया दौर जो हम बोल रहे हैं,
Hmm.
यहाँ एक्सपीरियंस लोग भी हैं, नए भी हैं.
Yes.
अच्छा एक्टर्स हमारे पास गूढ़े हुए एक्टर जैसे आप है और इन्फ्लुएंसर्स भी है. ये
Yes.
जो एक मिश्रण आ गया अब एक इंडस्ट्री में भी, कहा गया कि हाँ
Yes.
अब हमारे पास एक्टर्स भी, हमारे पास इन्फ्लुएंसर्स भी है.
Yes.
व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दैट?
It is a beautiful mix. And I'm looking forward to learn from each and every contestant that is there.
Okay.
You have Harsh, who's a stand-up comedian. Ruhanika, who's the youngest. We have Jasmine, who's ruling Punjabi industry. We have Ritvik Bhanjani. We have Karan Wahi, who are like, they have done the seasons for, this is the third time
Yeah,
they're
yeah.
doing it. We have Avika Gaur, who is absolute fearless and she's a badass.
ये और ही
We have Ori. He is the influencer. तो सबसे सीखने के लिए मिलेगा, सबसे कुछ नया एक स्टंट को देखने का नजरिया मिलेगा. It is going to be a great journey and I can sense it now.
Thank you so much, Rubina. It was pleasure talking to you and wish you all the best.
Thank you, Sunil.
तो मदर्स डे भी है तो हैप्पी मदर्स डे आपको एडवांस.
Thank you. And to your White House.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
God bless you.